So this is my new Volvo 940 Turbo, and it's pretty sweet. It's missing some mirrors, but that's fine. And we have these wipers. They were not working so well when I got it, and we are missing something here in the front. So yeah, it looks like someone hit something with this car, but it's fine. I mean, the headlights are fine, and we got some rust here, but like nothing major, but yeah, some. The rims look like shit, but that's okay. I mean, overall the car is pretty decent condition. It's just the front sides that have like some rust. It's like barely any rust here. It's just some, but it's not like rotten. And it's all tinted, and it's pretty sweet. It has a turbocharged engine, and it's a freaking Volvo, so it will like never die. And here's the turbo. Let's see if we can shine some light on it. There is the turbo. Oh yeah, and it works. The engine is like perfectly fine working. I drove it here, but it doesn't drive well because it doesn't have a clutch. The clutch is gone. But who needs a clutch? So here's the gas, brake, and we got the clutch here. And it just goes like nothing. There's like no resistance, it doesn't do anything. But it runs, and you have this special button here. So you put it in 4th gear, and then you press this button and it goes into 5th gear. It's pretty sweet. So we're gonna start it up. And it freaking runs. It runs. And it's all like properly working with the engine and all that. Let's gonna take a look. We got one working headlight. It's like even like low beam. It's awesome. And here's the engine. Like, this engine will never die. And it's like leather interior. Really nice interior here. And we even have like the radio here. I got this radio even with the car. It's freaking awesome. And it even works. I just haven't learned the buttons yet. Look at that, it even works.
Den perfekta mixen för sommaren.
No disc, just turn it off. And we got the back seat here. It's also like leather interior, pretty sweet. You can even fold this down. Armrest, pretty sweet. It's an awesome car. We have the luggage here. It even works. There's like no rust here. Look at this. It's really well preserved, this car. I don't know. It's just rust in the front. And here is the luggage. It's like huge. And it got some shit in here. Oh, that's like toys for water toys. That looks like fun. Oh, we even got a headlight. A beam. What do you call it? A lamp. We got some våtservetter. Wow, that's really helpful. We got a light here as well. And this is wheel lock. Is it something in it? It's empty. We got some garbage. Oh, we got another registration plate. Is it for this car? I think it's for this car. It's supposed to replace this one because it's so... Yeah, it's the same. It's so nasty, the front one, so that's awesome. A new plate. What do we have on here? We got the jack. We got a spare tire and a box. That's nice. I got a box. What's in the box? Oh, it's the timing belt. Oh, that's really nice. It's like brand new timing belt. Some plastic, probably maybe cover for here. And what is this? Like the tensioner. That's really nice. I got the brand new timing belt and the tensioner. Awesome. And you got these like toys. You can like push water or something. I don't know if this one is working properly. Maybe this one is working better. Yeah, this one is working. Oh yeah, I mean I got this for free with the car. It's awesome. Oh, we got some hidden compartments here. Oh, we got some pump. This looks really nasty actually. Really, what is this? Some metal piece, I don't know. And we got these hose clamps. What is this? I don't know. Let's put it back. Is there more? More hidden compartments here? Maybe one here? Yeah? In here we got 2 lights. Then we got like 3 lights in total. That's really nice. Oh, we got like a airflow meter. I wonder if it's working. That's really nice. And we got some dirt. Sweet. What do we have here? Oh, it's like a tool thing, but there are no tools. That's a shame. Maybe the tools are like spread out. Oh, I see it. I found this. This is actually missing here. It's supposed to be here. That's nice. So I can put it back. And then I can just hide all of this under the floor. Look, it's clean, but it's actually filled with crap, but it's like hidden. And we don't have that wiper, but that's fine. Oh, we got one light working here. That's nice. Oh, that looks really nasty. And there's some fluid in there. Is it water? Yeah. Okay, let's turn it off. It's been running long enough now. Works really well. Look here, I even got some whoa, don't go flying like that. I got some ice cream wrappers. Really nice. And here I got some hub thing. Maybe it's for a wheel, front wheel maybe. It's a hub with ABS, it looks like. This car has ABS, but oh, the ABS light is not even on. It was on before. I got this also. It's like a thermometer or something. Out and in. Nice. Maybe the out one is broken. And I got circulation. It's really cool. They start glowing, these buttons. Really nice. I even got an AC. That's really nice. But it doesn't work. But it's there, so you can fix it. And you can put it on auto even. Oh, it's singing for me. That's really nice. It's like singing like crazy. Whoa. What's going on in there? Okay, let's turn it off. That's weird. What's What kind of noise? Let's see what we have in here. Maybe we have some gold. What is this? Why is it not... Oh, it's not even locked. Oh, I got CDs here, man. That's really nice. That's like really fancy stuff compared to the other car. Some of these like lights things you put lights in. Färgpenna, okay, like a pen. Like color pen. Oh, I got like lots of papers. Oh, I really love papers. Oh, what is this? I got glasses. What's inside here? It must be like super locked. I don't know. Open, it says open here, but it doesn't work. So I got the broken box. Oh, I managed to open it, but it's empty. Maybe it's for like thinking glasses. Oh, I got some like used napkins things. That's no gum in that. Oh, I got a map. That's nice. More like I got like 5 CDs here. Plastic butt pieces for the interior, maybe. Let's put this. Oh, the light is even working in here. That's really nice. That's so nice. Even seat heaters. Got some key here. I don't know. Really nice. Look at this. I got this spinning wheel thing. So I got the key here. And look at this. It has central locking. It locked all the doors. Really nice. And it freaking works. Everything just works. Look at its nice interior. Everything is like brown. Everything in the car is brown. Even the roof is like brownish. You look here, electric windows for all windows. And they even work. Oh, here they are. Electric windows, all windows, and they work. Freaking awesome. Electric mirrors. But the mirrors are gone, but they're electric. Yeah, you need to push this out and then you can close it. Let's lock it just for fun. Oh yeah.